All right guys, so in this video, I'm gonna go over my top 5 reasons why you guys should buy a Jeep. Now, I'm not just gonna name the obvious things like, oh, you can take it off-roading.
Of course.
We all know that, all right? So this is gonna be some things that maybe you haven't thought of, some things that are outside the box. So my favorite thing, number one, is it holds its value. So my first Jeep that I bought was a 2007 Jeep Wrangler. I think I bought it in 2011 or 12 or something like that for $21,500, so pretty good amount of money. Then I had it for 3 years, put on 30,000 miles, not a lot of miles, but I put on 30,000 miles. 3 years later, I sold it for $19,000. So if you think about that, I drove a vehicle for 2,500 bucks. So if you guys take good care of your Jeeps, you guys can resell your Jeep for almost the same as what you bought it for. Reason number 2 is the ladies love Jeeps. All right, whether you're a girl that's into guys, guys love girls that drive Jeeps. It's literally one of the best vehicles you can have for that. I've never met a girl that's like, oh, you drive a Jeep? No, they're always excited to hop in the Jeep. What's up, girl?
Nice Jeep.
Thanks, you need a ride somewhere?
Well, it does look like it's going to rain.
Hop on in.
Okay.
Even when I had a Camaro, it just wasn't the same. Like, people have these ideas of you know, if you drive a BMW or you drive a jacked up truck, they have these ideas in your head. But if you drive a Jeep, pretty much across the board, you're a cool. And this takes me into the third reason why you need to buy a Jeep is Jeeps look good, dirty or clean, okay? So if you're someone who doesn't want to wash their car all the time, Jeeps look good dirty with mud all over it. You can't get away with that with a BMW or a Mercedes. You do that and you're just a lazy dude who doesn't wash his car. He's just a piece of shit. So if you guys buy a Jeep and you're slacking on the cleaning, no big deal. You know, I personally like to clean up the Jeep, make it look sharp, but I know a lot of people who don't, who just fucking whatever, they never wash the outside and they still have a badass ride. And number 4 is it's a convertible, it's an SUV, it's an off-road vehicle, it's everything all wrapped into one. You can put the seats down, you can throw a bunch of stuff in the back, not quite as much as a pickup, but you can put a lot of shit in the back. You move the seats all the way up, lay it down like a bed, and there you go. And you could sleep in there and camp in your freaking Jeep too. So, and this is 5, and my absolute favorite reason why I love Jeeps is the customizations. Out of all the vehicles in the world, the Jeep Wrangler has the most aftermarket parts. All right, I just made that up, but it's probably accurate because you can buy literally anything for the Jeep. If you want to change out this, you can change it out. Boom, there's a million different companies making products all the time. And whether you want to go big money, you can buy super nice aftermarket parts, or they have aftermarket parts from China. You can freaking throw on like this bumper right here is like 500 bucks or something like that. I thought it was a great looking bumper. I threw it on there. But then again, these fenders are 550 bucks. The hood is like 600 bucks. So you can go as expensive or as cheap as you want. But either way, over time, if you save up money, you can build your dream vehicle. You can have this vision in your head of what you want your vehicle to look like, and you can get in the process of doing it. And that's my favorite element of the Jeep. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. This channel is gonna be about fitness, my Jeep, and my dog. You know, I throw up a lot of random content, so if you guys are into that, make sure you subscribe, and there's gonna be more Jeep stuff coming up. I'm a Jeep guy for life. I plan to buy a JL sometime, maybe in a year or 2, but there's still a lot of customizations I can do to this Jeep. I'm probably gonna put a light bar on there. There's a lot of interior work that I'm gonna be doing, so subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. See you next time.